early 2015, Chubi Bazu Stadium was one of the places we gathered to do our morning exercises during weekend. Even though before that time, some minor renovations was done on this stadium, particularly on the pitch, and installation of lights also happened that year. And after everything, the stadium was fully functional and accessible. Fast forward to 10 years later, I visited back to this stadium, and what I saw there was not okay at all. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna be touring two stadiums in Onitsha, precisely Fege and Oka Road. This is Godwin's and Ichebest Stadium in Fege. Earlier last year or this year, I thought the stadium was under full renovations because I saw some paintings happening on the wall, but I had never had the opportunity to access the stadium to see what was actually going on there. So yesterday I decided to visit both the stadium and that of Chubi Bazo Stadium in Oka Road. And this is the looks of this particular stadium, the Maze at the Anichebest Stadium in Fege. This is the remains of it. Though from my touring and seeing everything for myself, I noticed that this particular stadium is still much better than that of the Chuba Bazo Stadium. Though this one also needs a total rehabilitation. It needs a total renovation from what I saw when I visited. Particularly on the pitch side, the pitch is gone, is totally gone. The running tracks on this one is totally gone, even though the running tracks do not go round. Like it's not that type of running track that go round. So but the running tracks has been washed out. The running tracks are not there anymore, and the bushes has covered so many part of the places. So this is the part of it where the bush has covered. If I turn around, you can see inside the pitch. I will also show you inside the pitch, so you see how the how the pitch is looking like. The pitch is not nice at all. Even it has become a dumping site for flood. Anytime it rains, the place becomes swamp or something. So I will also show you that part. So from what I saw when I accessed this stadium, the only thing I can say is that there was no major renovation that happened here. The only thing I see is that they just repainted the walls, and that is it. Nothing else was done here. And when I assessed it, I was like, what is this? Even though I've never used this stadium before, I've not used this stadium before, but I do pass through this place when I go to some certain locations. So but I never access the inside. So this is my first time accessing inside this place, and what I'm seeing here is not nice at all. It's not nice. You can watch the video and see everything for yourself that the place is not giving. It's not giving. It looks abandoned. Nothing is currently going on here, and people are still using the stadium. Football matches are going on and the rest of them, even though it now serves as a training ground for upcomers. So the place needs a total renovation if they want to do it. So I don't know. So from here we'll be heading down to Chubi Bazo Stadium, where I will show you everything. That one is absolutely gone. Like it's totally gone. When we get there, you will see everything for yourself. The place is gone. When I mean it's gone, it's gone. So I will show you the entrance gates of this particular stadium, and I'll also show you the the walls, the looks of the stadium from outside if you have not watched it by now. So I'll show you the looks of the looks of the stadium from outside, and as well show you the entrance gate, so you see that what actually happened here was only repenting. And there was one statue that was built at by the outside, which I did not capture. The previous statue that was there was totally gone. So that particular one, they renovated that one and put another status over there, but I had not captured that particular place. So those are only major things you can see that happened here. Apart from those things and the painting, nothing else was done on this place. So I also seized the opportunity to go to the opposite of this building where they have country club. I accessed the country club, hoping to do some videoing, but when I accessed there, I met someone who briefed me that the place was not owned by government or any governmental body, that is an individual something. It's kind of club that built the whole thing, you understand. So I wanted to do video, but the right person to talk to was not around, so I have to leave that place. So before now I was thinking that the country club was government established something, but I got to learn yesterday that it was not government, it was not established by government, rather by the club themselves. So that is the look. The one you watch was the looks of the outside of the Figge Stadium, Anichebe Stadium, and what you are currently watching is the outside of Chobia Ebazo Stadium. I wanted to start this filming from that Oka Road axis, coming towards that Regina Passes school, and showing you the Obi of Onitsha's palace and everything. But I don't think there's need for that because I've made such video before. So if you want to watch them, you can go to my channel and search for the video. So this is the outside looks of the Chobe Bazo Stadium in Oka Road. This is the look, and very soon I will show you the inside, and so you see everything for yourself. The gate you just saw now is the second gate of the stadium, which people hardly used. They don't normally use those gates, and it's hardly open. The one they are using is the first gate, which you will see if you are coming in. This particular gate you are seeing here, you see this one if you are coming in from that Regina Passes school axis. That is where you see this gate. So this is the looks of the stadium. This one is at the back of the auditorium. This one is at the back of auditorium. This is the auditorium, and this is the looks of the seat. Those places has been covered with bush. Though those years that we used to come there, there are sometimes you see bush there, but not as thick as this one. And at the time they will also clear the bush, but now the bush was not clear at all. Bush has taken over that back. The all the seats on this auditorium is completely gone. I will show you the clear video of the seats. This is the roof of the building, is completely shattered. Everything is gone. No renovation going on at all. The roof is gone. Everything has been shattered. Like I don't know how to put it though, but the whole thing is completely gone. The old Chobe Bazo Stadium we used to know when we visit here is not there anymore. It's completely gone. No maintenance is going on. The auditorium is gone. The pitch is gone. Even the house that serves as the gym house, and also where they pack some things, some important equipment for exercises, those buildings are gone. Also all the roofs, some part of the roofs is gone. I'll also show you on this video. So this is the looks of the auditorium currently. Almost all the roofs on the auditorium is completely gone. The place has been shattered. It's not looking nice at all. I never expect to see this kind of thing on this stadium. So I will allow you guys watch through the video while I keep giving you more updates concerning what I saw on this stadium. This building you are seeing right now is the building I was talking about. If you watch closely on the roof, you can see that the roof has been shattered. When we used to visit here, this building serves as the gym house, and there are other activities going on inside that building, and it's also serves as where they park some important equipment for for the stadium and something. You can see that the building is gone. So these are one of some of the things we do complain sometimes when we make videos. Nigeria as a whole lacks that maintenance culture. They don't do maintenance on the completed projects, and there are many abandoned projects within or around the country. Maintenance is a problem. They don't do maintenance. There are some administration that will come in and may be interested in some of this kind of thing. They will construct it. Another administration will enter, and maybe they are not interested. They will leave everything to to scatter, and the whole thing will be gone. So these are the things we used to complain. Building a project is another thing, and maintaining it is another thing totally. So maintenance is deeply lacking in the entire country. They don't do maintenance in most of their completed projects until the project becomes dilapidated to the extent it will require them to start afresh from ground to build those things, so which is very very bad. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe. Click on the thumb up button, click on the notification bell. If you are new to our channel, thank you for coming, and thank you for locating our channel. And for the old members, thank you for always supporting. Bye guys.